Welcome back, everyone. My name is Julianne, or Julie, and today I am continuing my series of the repair shop. This is a simulator game. This is basically a fix-it item game, kind of. Right now we have these orders. I'm gonna look them over, see how long. Okay, this is a new object, the gumball machine. This old machine must have seen thousands of gums. That's probably true. But I don't have any of those parts, so corn sheller. You might be able to do that one. Ooh. Okay. And this one. I'm gonna say no on this one because I don't have the parts and I have to pay for shipping. Yeah. Alright. So over here is how we order parts. This is kind of old-timey, but kind of not, where you still have to pay for shipping. And this is how you can tell what you're looking for. Handle, add to cart, go back. You can flip through here, gumball machine. Everything's alphabeticalized, which is kind of nice. One mechanism. Dispenser door. Dispenser door. Oil lamp. A lens and a clip. I said that backwards, but a gumball machine, a dispenser chute, and a dispenser door. Dispenser chute. Okay, got that. And oh, yes. Don't need to do those. So that's how I keep track of the main objectives here. And I buy everything together. I'll take overnight shipping is 50 bucks. So they'll come quickly. This is how much it is, and up here is how much money we have. I did learn last time rent is like $500. So all the stuff immediately comes in, but we can't do anything with it until the next day. So, and it says right there, your items are Righty. Oh, this is a pink one. I've already done a couple of these ones. I'm gonna look for the one that's broken. You can recycle everything. I learned last time, which is nice. You get a little bit of money back. Alright, that one's all good to go. Put that. Finish that. Well, you're the gumball machine. Now, I have no idea how to take this apart. So. Oh. Lots of parts to you. I've never really noticed, I gotta be honest. I really wasn't sure if I was gonna make this a full series, but you know, I think I am. It's a cozy game, and it's a lot of me just tinkering away at everything. But I like it. Someone will like it, I think. At least I hope. But yeah, I really wasn't sure what I was gonna do with it. But you know what? I'm having fun with this. It's kind of relaxing. Spencer door was just straight up missing. Screw in here, screw in here, screw in here. Mechanism here. Yes. It's kind of cool to see how all these things work. I was never really, I never had a chance to be able to take things apart like this. So it's kind of cool. Hold on. Hey now, there it is. Little tiny. Little tiny. Eventually, last time I played this, I played it so much that the music ended up stopping for some reason, which was kind of funny. I do have many more games coming, both demo games and actual full games like this one. This is a full game. This is on Steam. Yay! Look at it. All brand new. Yay! Level 7! What do we have here? The corn thing. Yes. This is another new one I have no idea how to take apart. Might take me an extra little bit to realize where. Oh, okay, right there. This thing looks very spiky. Oh, that was fairly easy, I guess. Crank. Okay. I didn't have to take it all apart, but it's nice to know what it looks like, what I'm supposed to be looking for. Alright, let's fix this gumball machine. There's a lot of parts to the gumball machine. Oh yeah, you can see it's already kind of broken. Again, it's not necessary to do all of this once you know, but because it's still a fairly new one that I've unlocked, I'm kind of taking my time on purpose to, like, get better at what parts are what. I think the main game is like 6 hours. I think. I don't really know. Now, as I'm playing this, the first part has not come up yet. So I don't know how well this is actually gonna go, but this is fairly relaxing, so. Oh, I don't have a part. Hold on. Oh, that's new. That one's new. Yeah, it looks like that. Okay. I don't like it when it's just one thing. Doesn't seem worth it. No. Anything that has 1 day on it, I say no. Meat grinder. Okay. And gumball, shoot. Yes. Did I get that one? Okay. Yeah, I did. Again, this is just an easy way of meat grinder. Game. Locking ring. And a crank. Alright. I'm going to put that over there. Shelf that for now. Alright. I'm gonna fix this one first because I started with that one. Oh. I do wish there was more than one song, but obviously it's not really the point of the game. It's just nice that there's more than one song playing in the background. But, I mean, if you're playing this, you could have any music in the background. You don't even have to have any of the noises going on, so... Alright, got that order out. Alright, let's do this one. Lock. Where is... I think? Yeah. Well, if all you needed was one part, my dude, you might as well have just... Oh, the crank is broken. If all you needed was like one part, you could have just done this yourself. I'm happy for the business and all, but I'll show you guys in a second how you recycle the old stuff. So you hit I, and then you can sell everything that's broken. Or sell repeats if you really need to for money. I've done that once. You don't get tons, but you do get a little bit. What's this one? Spencer shoot. Alright. Yeah. Take that out, take this out. Out, take this out, screw this, unscrew this, righty tighty it, lefty loosey, this out, get this out. I'm hoping that it's gonna be more of new stuff that I haven't yet seen for you guys, like more things I haven't fixed and painting and stuff. Just to get to that one. Just to get to that one, man. Yeah! Level 8. Alright, let's go to the phone. Corn sheller. 2 days. Oh, 6 days. Yes. 4 days. This console may be small, but there's hours and hours of fun inside. That's a new one I haven't done yet. Meat grinder. And oil lamp. Alright. Corn sheller. Handle. Okay, shelling wheel. Game Jam Adventure. This is another new one, so that's cool. Motherboard. Speaker? Yes. Meat grinder. Knife. And then we have an oil lamp again. Oh, look, it's a little one. Oh. Can't wait to do that one. That looks adorable. Wick tunnel. Alright. That's on. Double checking. Corn sheller. Handle. Right there. Wheel. I didn't get the... Oh, no, I did. I got the speaker. Okay, here. Got the knife. And then I got the oil lamp wick tunnel. Alright. Everything's here. Everything will be here tomorrow. This is today. This is when our rent was due. I don't know what this is. Okay, so this tells you when they're due, which is kind of nice. Have any orders due today? Rent is due. Okay, so it's once a month at 500. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna get higher than that, but. Knife is broken. Where's the knife? Where's the knife? I don't remember. I'm gonna have to redo everything. It's since the first one, since I recorded the first one, it's been a couple days in my time, so I'm like, huh? Where is that part that you want me to take off? It's inside. If I remember right. Yeah, right there. Ugh. It's kind of gross. No wonder why you needed a new one. Fixing screw. Where do you go? Oh, I wasn't done with it. That's why it wasn't finishing. I was like, huh? Somehow I'm doing that even though I shouldn't be able to. Huh? Did I? What happened? There we go. It was inside. Hi. Ooh, looks like a DS. A Nintendo DS. my word. Alright. I'm sorry. Gotta get the tiny... Okay, I'm wearing glasses, but good lord. Arrows. Man, this one has a lot more parts. I mean, I never looked. Never broke. No, I was always afraid to break stuff because we didn't have money to fix it, so I never had the chance to really, you know. That was just straight up missing. There, here, and that one. Shock absorbent? Where did you go? I think I did it. Sometimes it makes noises when I'm done, and sometimes it doesn't, which is a little confusing. Ooh, that is rusty as hell. That is fucking rusty. Handle, okay. So weird looking without all this stuff in it. Oh, look how nice that looks compared to the other one. Ugh. The other one was gross. Where does that one go? Am I losing? Okay. I am losing my mind. It's fine. It's fine, guys. Oh. Alright. Oh, this is gonna be pretty easy. As I've done this one quite a few times now, so these ones are always a little easy. But learning how everything works is kind of cool. Level 9, guys. Good lord. Just flying. 7 days. I could do that. A spur gear. Ooh, delivery truck. We haven't had this yet. This would look awesome in my new apartment. Take your time with it. Do your thing. You know, I trust you, James. Meat, dairy, meat, or maybe even furniture. This delivery truck will carry anything you can imagine. I am not a mechanic at all, but apparently I am. Somehow this correlates. Not entirely sure. Pipe cutter. Cut any pipe, thick or thin, with this handy tool. Danielle. Um, it'll make an awesome prize from my club's bingo night. Yeah, okay. Probably can do that one. And then I'll take that one, I guess. That's fine. Gumball. I do like how everything is alphabetized. That is really nice. Okay, so this is gonna be another new one. He's all the way down here. Axe wheel. Oh, wheel axe. Cab 2 and wheel axe. Fire wheel axe. Axle, sorry. Pipe cutter. This is gonna be another new one. Guide roller. Guide roller right there. And meat grinder again. Meat slice and meat grinder right there. Locking ring. Locking ring. Right there. Alright. I don't know how the truck's gonna fit in here, but whatever. Maybe it's a kid's toy. I don't know. Okay, it's kind of a kid's toy. What in the... I know where the axle is. It's just this is a new one, so I'm gonna go through it so I know what part they're talking about when I'm ordering. I'm hoping that helps me. Oh yeah, look at that. Ugh. Ugh. It's kind of cute. It definitely needs a coat of paint whenever I learn how to do that. Door pin. Where is it? I mean... Oh, right there. Oh. One top, one in bottom. One in top. One in bottom. Or, yeah. I know what I said. Oh, the cab too. See what I mean? I mess up. I go too fast. Like, oh yeah. Alright. It'll slow down just a little bit with my bumper. No. Cab 2. Oh! That's what you're talking about. Okay. Figured that one out. Yeah. No wonder why it's not working. I'm gonna get to $1,000 and then I'm gonna spend it on some stuff. I do think sometimes it gets a little confusing when I have two of the same thing. No, that doesn't seem right. Yeah, right there. Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright. Level 10! Level 10! So you can also buy tools, which I'm about to do. I'm gonna buy this paint table. I don't need it to be overnight shipping for this one. That's gonna be a whole new mechanic that I will show you in this video, and then so we will see what we have for orders now. I can do that one. Forge blower. Ooh, that's a new one. Secondary objectives. Condition of parts used should be at least perfect. So you almost have to collect all of them to do that one. Okay, that's the same thing for that one. Oh, it's an amp head. Okay. The knobs and something else. We're getting more expensive. I think that's fine. I don't have enough time for that one, so I'm gonna say no. And I'm gonna say yes, but I'm gonna... No, I can't. I can't. I just want to make sure I have enough. Alright, oil lamp, we've done those a couple times already. Those are pretty simple. And then raise amp head. Right there. So we need knob 3 and 3. We need 2 of those. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Double checking that because I didn't want to mess that up. I will say overnight shipping for this stuff. Alright. We will see what happens. Alright, this is the amp. Alright, that one's broken. Ah. Yeah, see, sometimes the music tells you, yeah, you finished, and other times it doesn't. That's not what I wanted to do. I was missing one part for that one. Head. vacuum. Yep. Vacuum tube large. Yeah, that one. So I'm gonna put that on the shelf for now. Ooh, this one's purple. Nice. And I've done this a couple times already. But I thought I replaced that. Is that not the one that's broken? Sometimes you can tell, and other times you can't. Oh, I think it's this one. Oh, might be this one. Hold on. This one back in here, and put this one in here. Yeah. So I wish the sound was more consistent. Get tipped by a customer. Okay, that's good. Oh, wow. Let's go check to see. Bottle capper. We can do this one. Any brewer has this in their shop. Once it's cleaned up, it has many more beer bottles to cap. Conditions should be perfect. I think that's fine. Don't, well, be at least good. Hello. Seems like your usual old toy, but for a toddler, this cart quickly becomes the epitome of fun. How adorable. We're not there quite yet. Alright. So, tools hasn't come in yet. So. We haven't done a book press in a second. But it's basically this thing here. It's used to push down the books. Oh, this thing is purple. Gonna wait for all the parts to come in. Did I wish I could yeah. Just gonna go to the next day. My items have arrived. Let's get started then. Let's do you. You're pretty easy. I'm sorry. At least good. I don't know if this one's gonna get here on time. Oh, maybe it will. I don't know. Oh, I see. Oh. Good vacuum. Small. Okay, so it's supposed to have like a bunch. I don't know why I had to take that off. It doesn't seem like that would interfere with anything, but maybe it does. What do I know? I'm just playing the game. Okay, we fixed you up just in time for you to go back here. Yay. Now, what about you? Did I get enough parts for you? I hope I did. Bracket. Screw. Chuck. Oh, that's what that thing's called. Handle. Okay. We have orange sheller. No. Yes. Okay, we don't have any secondary objectives to this one. An arbor press is indispensable for any craftsman. It's the perfect item to restore, knowing it'll aid in other restorations. Oh, weird. Okay. Can't accept more than 4. Okay. Bottle capper. Handle. Book press. Handle. Even if I buy a second one, I'm not upset about it considering how often they do come up. And I'm sure the levels, I'm not gonna go up as quickly as I am with these ones. So, alright. Let's finish this purple one here. Fairly simple. Yeah. I just wish that sound was consistent, even, like, it only does it when you do it the first time, I think. And that's what it feels like. So it's not consistent. Oh, good lord. That is so bad. Just gonna take all of you out. Just take all of you out. Recycle, 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 recycle. Recycle 50 parts. It doesn't feel that way, but apparently it was that way. Alright. I'm gonna shelf this for right now. Put you back here. Is this the one that has to be perfect? Or at least good? Was the thing? Yeah. The base doesn't feel that way, I gotta be honest. I mean, it looks better, that's for sure. I mean, everything got a little chromis? Very chrome. But the word I was trying to, oh, perfect. Yes. Yay, level 11, man. We are just flying. I am gonna end this video, I think, after I finish this one. Now let me finish the day. I'll finish the day and then we'll end it there. I hope you all are enjoying this series. I know I am. And I was hoping to get the painting in, but that looks like it's gonna be the next time. I don't exactly know how that works yet. I am making bank, so that's good. I need, oh, more items. I gotcha. Okay. Oh, that's cool. It's an actual train, like train set. So we haven't done this one, this amp, the RC buggy, the push cart, this one, that one. Okay, so there's still a couple of more that we haven't seen yet. Tank and a lens. There. Now I can paint. This is the painting table. You can use it to repaint certain parts after cleaning and sandblasting them. So that will be coming as soon as well, apparently. Let's see. What kind of orders do we do? No, it's only one day. We don't have enough parts. Milk. Okay, we can do this one. Turn the corn, wheat, and any other cereal around the farm into fine flour, all with the help of this item. Okay, do that one. Do that one. Display is broken. That's fairly easy. Not that one. Alright. So, we already did the oil lamp. Do the grain mill. A Ruger. A grit adjustment bolt. Okay. And one of those. And gumball machine, which of course we've done a couple now. Top cover 2. And glass cover 1. Wait. Oh, they're different things. Okay. And then Game Jam Adventure, which is this one. It's the Nintendo DS, not the Nintendo DS. But that's exactly what it is. Display. Oh boy, we got a lot of stuff. Alright. So I am going to end this video here. I did get the painting here. That was kind of my goal. I was hoping to show it off in this one, but that's okay. I'm going to keep plugging away at this, and I'll see you all in the next video.